Love that crowd participation, but we need your shit to look good on the camera. Huh? If you're getting money out here, let's make some noise. Hey, me too. Hey, if you're doing your thing out here, you a hot motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Make some noise. Yeah, me too, you know what I'm saying? Hey, real Marty up here, until you run that shit, you understand? Hey.